Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Rocket League. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you open up your Rocket League application and also log into your account. From the main homepage of Rocket League, tap on the friends icon or the human icon at the top right. Go ahead and select a friend you would like to block. Tap on their name and in the pop-up, tap on the block button. Soon after that, you'll be able to block someone on Rocket League. Now, the player will locate inside the blocked players list. Remember that if you ever unblock the player, doing so will not add them in your friend list. If you want to add them back again, you need to go ahead and add this person again. That is how you can easily block someone on Rocket League. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.